He'll give you some life jacket. Okay, he's just gonna wear his life jacket now with the safety officer. Hello, he's so excited. Wow, look at him. Yeah, he's so excited. He'll do kayak now. You say thank you, Uncle. Okay, just wait. It's not done yet. Oh, it's just so excited to do the kayak with Daddy. Hi. We just came here from the mangrove area there to this little island with the white sand, and we got lost. They waited for us because me and Marisol got stuck up from that mangrove forest there, and it was very difficult, and we need to be rescued. Oh my God! Daddy's cell phone got lost. It fell down, and alhamdulillah, we're fine here, and it's very nice. Look. And it's a very nice experience, although adventurous, and it's thrilling, and yes, and it's very, very scary, especially for first timer. We've got lost, we don't know how to paddle, and we just kept rowing, and we kept on being stuck in the mangroves. But we are so happy now. It's just very happy. Yay! So, sulit talaga siya mga Bisdakers. It's very, very nice. And the guide is very, very patient with us. And look at that. This is so happy.